looks like like it's a second take. Great. Make a great SQL bot. Thing is, you gotta set this stuff up like just make a new node repository, node 10 something, I don't know. Node actually use that version of Node. And when you like make a repository and install discord.js like I did up there, install that. When like you can open up your best node. So just control.log some to node starts. Cat is good. Log that. npm test. Something you might have to test. Well, just cat is good. See if it works. I'm gonna do semicolon after the line when const magic machine. I'm gonna just copy that. No, it is. Gotta be that exactly that. The magic machine which makes things work. If it's not that, it's not gonna work. Remember that. Equals require discord.js semicolon. After that, I'm actually gonna have a space after each semicolon too. After that, gotta do const magic bot which is goodest equals new dot client. No, a big C, I think client. Yeah, just like a client, semicolon, space. After that, you do this. But you could do this. And I actually got a dot on ready. Yeah, I am using Notepad because that's text wrap, it's really useful. Async that arrow that. And inside of that, everything will be on the same line. This is just text wrap. If I were to like preferences, word wrap, it's just turn everything into the same line, as you can see. This is supposed to be that. It's just to make it a bit simpler for you to see everything on the same page. That's why I recommend you using Notepad, the best editor. Now you can have add space, so that's nothing else bad. Like the new actual text doesn't actually code, that's like real book stuff. Like and then here you can do console.log. The cat is done. Like everything is powered by cat. Remember that. After outside of this, on Redist, you have a semicolon. Or semicolons after everything, all things will break. Let's see. We're gonna see. Does this work? No, it does not. Fuck. That's not. Oh yeah, I'm not actually logging in anymore. I forgot that after everything, you gotta let's try a command before we get login. Now we gotta use this again. Dot on message async message into this. Oh shit! I accidentally made space. That sounds good. You might break stuff if you do that. Into message. See that says here right here, and then we're going to make a simple command. First of all, we gotta make it like let's make a command that we do exclamation mark being if message dot content equals ping. See this here? Do that. Remember the semicolons, really important. Not that. Just that again. I guess my buttons are in the way. It's a really weird keyboard. Okay, if it's exclamation mark ping, that's probably have command B. Then you do message dot channel dot send pong. See here? Great. That's how you do it. If you're probably seeing what goes where, it's like traceries like that, see? Turn up that and that. Remember semicolons. No, if you wanted more commands, you can just like, if command equals ping, just like copy this here. Make a pong command too. So it's if it's pong, send ping. See? That's how I do it. Now let's make it actually log in so it actually work. But that's no, not but it's this here is really important. From dot login. Now we gotta paste the token, like which I like. Let's make it on Discord thing on developer page. I made a billion talks about it. Semicolon. This here, after you've saved it, remember to save it. If you don't save it, it'll break. Um, test will work. Oh fuck. Oh yeah, I forgot. It was supposed to be magic bot, which is good as. It's not magic machine that makes it work. That's it. Now it should work. So yeah, cat is good. Cat is done. If we're going to Discord, it's online. The great Discord bot is online. And like that's gonna make a really simple Discord bot. Let's see if the commands work. Ping. See it worked. Pong. It works. Look, that's gonna make a really good simple Discord bot like this. And we'll even leave this source code in the description. Now like bye.